Okay, so this is the unfortunate and the fortunate. So I was lucky to find a lot of these awesome dressers for cheap, but I just didn't have space for them in my garage. So I did the best I could trying to store them. But as you can see, the snow has gotten completely out of control. And so I need to dig these things out and make sure that the bottoms aren't gonna get wrecked if we have a thaw. But as you can see, I have a lot of flipping furniture. Like this guy, I didn't try to cover this guy up too hard because the base is broken, but it's got awesome hardware and has a lot of potential for turnover or for flipping. So as you can see, just got a lot. There's like, I don't know, 3 or 4 dressers right here. There's a long one, there's a weird carved one, and then there's more. So a lot to do.